Let's take a look at how LEVERS uses product-based learning to be able to help students improve their performance by gathering evidence of the competencies they display in the products they produce. It's a 6-step process. We'll go through them one at a time. In the first step, the student selects the topic. This is key for engagement, and it lines up very well with personalized learning. The student then develops and presents a proposal to the teacher, which when accepted leads to the creation of a draft for review. In the next step, feedback is given and gotten and incorporated in a cyclical process. It may take one or more tries to incorporate all of the feedback that's going to generate the best product. In the next step, the product is shared with the intended audience. And finally, the finished products are submitted to be validated for learning. Along the way, the evidence gives us the opportunity to see certain things that we wouldn't see otherwise in terms of what the students are gaining through their learning. In step 1, the selection of the topic, we have the opportunity to see the 4 C's in real life: communication, collaboration, critical thinking, and creativity. And as this then turns into the proposal, we also see the benefits of research. When we get to the stage of the draft for review, the academics come into play because we get a baseline of where the student is with respect to the claims for both English language arts, which are shown here: reading, writing, research, and speaking and listening, as well as math, because many products are interdisciplinary. So in the mathematics, we'll get to see how they used concepts and procedures, their problem solving, how they communicated their reasoning, and if they've created modelings or data analysis, that will be evident too. At each stage, when we're going through the iterations of draft and incorporating feedback, the question is, what did you do differently? What will you do different next time, and why? So each iteration becomes an opportunity for us to see the students' thinking processes and also see the gain of skills. When the product is shared with the intended audience, that of course is the most important, because students having an authentic audience will perform at higher levels than they will simply for a grade. And some of our products have been designed, the challenges creating those projects have been designed by field professionals. If you please your teacher, you get a good grade. If you please a field professional, you might get a job. Finally, the learner submits the finished products into the LEVERS system, where every competency that has been demonstrated can be tagged and can be viewed and becomes a part of their portfolio. So this 6-step process leads to a proof of learning through validation. That's what LEVERS is all about: improvement through study of practice. Thank you very much.